beautiful people, welcome back to episode Dean Tips Kitchen. You can see today's delicacy is one of the African signatories. Oh yes, be it Cameroonian, be it Nigerian, Africa as a whole, suya. A street food we eat while on the streets, we buy it back to our homes. Whichever way, it's good for us. You can eat it with plantain, you can eat it with chips, you can eat it with bread, like I love most bread. Yes guys, so here is it. If you want to know how I made this delicacy, this African suya, be it Cameroonian or Nigerian, follow me into my kitchen. But before we dive into my kitchen, if you know you're here and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe, like this video at the end, watch it till the end of course, and leave your comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Head into the kitchen guys. I'm going to dive in immediately into the presentation of our ingredients for the making of soya. So we need some meat, red or white, whatever one you love. We need some salt for seasoning. We need soya spices. We need meat seasoning. And for the dressing, we need 1 red onion, some celery or spinach, and a tomato. So we're going to dive in directly into the chopping of our meat. You want to add the meat seasoning. You add some oil. You mix all together. Step aside. You add some salt. You can use your hand. I'm gonna use my hand, that is for sure. I love using my hands. Like, I love touching the food, right? Because it's like there's some sort of communication with everything you do. You can appreciate what you do with your hands better than when you're using a spoon or a fork. So want to like apply this to our meat. You see, I'm like really carrying that meat seasoning alongside the oil. So I'm not like grabbing just the oil, but I'm grabbing the meat seasoning too. Minutes. What you want to do basically is like insert the meat into your rod or your stick, whichever you have. So you pierce through. Next, so guys, after actually inserting our meat into a rod, here's how it looks like. So we're going to dive in directly with the seasoning of our meat. We're doing this with the soya spice. This is soya spice I did by myself in the house, so I guess I'm gonna make a video on it, how I make my soya spices. You want to make sure every single part of it, of the meat, has gotten the spice. So if you're wondering, right, soya, not only in Cameroon, in Nigeria, in Togo, Senegal, you know, we have this street food, soya. Yes, if you've gone to Cameroon and you've lived in Douala, or you're passing by Douala, you know there is this place where they call Ministère de Soya. That is the somehow like the headquarters, right? So it's really fun going there. You just meet a series of Muslim people making these at the roadside. I even remember when we were kids, we'll leave from school, we'll pass from shell to shell, like to saying, I want to buy meat for my grandma. When they give you this meat, you taste it's a little bit hard. You say, no, my grandma does not want hard meat. And when they give you soft one, you say, no, this one is too soft for my grandma. You leave and go to the next shell, and that's how we're doing. And we were eating meat like all the time. If you're my classmates and we were doing this together, please just leave your comments in the comment section, because we know what we did. Yes, we know what we did. We know what we did at Ministère de Suya. So guys, after inserting our meat into our rod, we are like rubbing some oil on our meat. You can see how beautiful it looks. You have to apply some oil, you know. Yay. So we're going to put it into our oven and we'll stay updated. Oh my god, you have to look presentable. Yeah, so guys, to the oven. Guys, I say I show you, let's have an update, right? An update of what our meat looks like. You see, it's looking all beautiful. So we're gonna continue. Here is an update on the turning process. Oh my god, it's damn hot. Yep. I want to turn everything together to the opposite side. It's hot, guys. Yes, guys, I had to protect my hand because it was really painful. Okay, so you can see we're gonna put it back into our oven. That's why our meat is almost ready. We want to chop our dressing, that's our onion. I'm gonna cut it into a circular way. Gonna cut add tomatoes too. Arrange a celery, like you just want to pick up the leaves, or spinach, whichever you have. So guys, we're going to dive in directly into removing our meat from the oven because it's damn ready. Yeah, you can see our soya, it's already ready. So I'm going to take everything and transfer to this bowl. On the foil paper, actually in Cameroon we actually do it on normal paper, newspaper, whatever paper, cement paper. So that's what we actually do. So I want to remove everything from the stick. So here is our soya. I'm going to add some oil, or apply some oil on it. Applying the oil, guys, we're going to move in directly into the dressing. So we want to add some tomatoes, some onions, I love the red onion because it's hot and it has this flavor or this taste. Want to add some celery for decoration, and of course our pepper, guys. This is the pepper, like soya pepper, made by me. Yes, so you want to add it there. And guys, we have our soya. Our soya is ready, guys. Here is our Cameroon, Nigerian, African soya, homemade. That's street food. I remember we usually eat it with bread in the streets. It must not be this decorated. And you can see my beautiful soya pepper at the side, guys. Everything is so actually, I can't wait to have a taste. But if you're here and you know you've not yet subscribed to Episodes and Tips, what are you waiting for? Look at this beauty. Look at this delicacy. This is going to wrap up my video, but do not forget to subscribe, like if you actually liked this video, share for others to learn, leave your comments in the comment section, and stay put and updated when I upload another video. And I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Ciao.